morning, everyone. This is Amit Pabari, founder and managing director of CR Forex. Last week, there was a lot of buzz that our bond will be listed on global platform like JP Morgan Emerging Market Bond Index. In today's presentation, we'll understand what is all that buzz about and what impact it will have on our bond market and on currency market. JP Morgan Emerging Market Bond Index was launched in 2005. 16 कंट्रीज हैं जिनके बॉन्ड वहाँ पे लॉन्च हुए हैं. द फंड साइज इज क्लोज टू $300 बिलियन. मिनिमम 1% इन्वेस्टमेंट हो सकता है एंड मैक्सिमम 10% इन्वेस्टमेंट हो सकता है. सो इफ वी कैलकुलेट मैक्सिमम अमाउंट दैट कैन बी $30 बिलियन. देयर इज अ टॉक इन द मार्केट दैट वी कैन गेट अ फ्लो ऑफ $30 बिलियन in coming days if we get listed on this index. India's bond market is close to $1 trillion. Now let us understand what are the requirements to get listed on this index and what are the challenges we are facing. Requirement number one is that there has to be a liquidity in the market, which we have. There has to be no capital control, which we do not have. Third is that we should have a systematic hedging solution. That is also we have. Now the problem is with one clause, that is capital gain tax. The requirement is that the settlement has to happen via Euro clear. Now, if you want to do a settlement via Euro clear, 46 countries are there which clears their bond via Euro clear. The requirement is that there should not be any kind of short-term or long-term capital gain tax. But Indian government is not willing to remove that tax clause. If that tax clause has been removed, then there are higher chances that we get an inclusion in the bond index. If this happens, there will be two kinds of impact on the market. First impact will happen on the bond market. Second impact will happen on the currency market. Let us analyze what impact it will have on bond market. On the bond market, there will be three impact. First impact क्या रहेगा इसका? पहला impact ये रहेगा कि government will get access to international funding. Currently, government is only dependent on domestic funding. Second, government bond yields will come down. Third, borrowing cost of government will reduce. That is a positive sign. Now let us analyze impact on the currency market. If we get listed on this index, then there is an expectation that inflow can come between 3 billion to 30 billion. Market में ऐसा buzz है कि there are higher probability for 30 billion. Now 30 billion is a big amount of money. Last 10 months में FII withdrew $21 billion. So if this flow comes, पूरा net off हो जाएगा. तो first impact is that we get a flow. Second impact, flow जो है, it will come in next 1 year time. But because of the expectation of the flow, there will be two reactions in the market. Reaction number one will be those traders or importers who are long in dollar rupee pair might exit dollar rupee pair का long position. Second impact can be those who want to sell dollar rupee pair, like exporter wants to sell dollar rupee pair, or traders will enter into a selling side on the dollar rupee pair. Because of both of these reasons, what can happen is that the pair can move towards 78 to 70 and a half level in coming days. Now let us discuss outlook for dollar rupee pair. Fundamentals के जो हम बात करते थे पहले भी कि डॉलर इंडेक्स will move towards 112 level. Emerging market currencies will have pressure. USD CNY is currently will move towards 7.5 kind of a level. Trade deficit is a concern. Despite all of this negative factor, if 79.20 is broken because of the bond inflow expectation, the currency can move towards 78.5 to 78 kind of a level. So 79.20 remains a very, very crucial support for the pair. If the pair is broken, then we have to act upon it. Now let us discuss strategy for exporter and importer. Exporter के लिए 79.20 का stop loss रख के wait करना चाहिए. If 79.20 is broken, then they should increase the hedge ratio. For importers, they should wait for some time, at least for next 7 to 8 trading days, and keep a stop loss of 80.15 level. If that is broken, then they have no other option but to go and simply hedge. Now let us discuss trading ideas for coming days. Last week we had given a sell call on GBP USD. The target got achieved. For coming days, we have given 4 calls: sell GBP USD, sell GBP INR, sell Euro USD, sell Euro INR. For levels, you can refer the slide. With this, I will end my today's presentation. Jai Hind, Namaskar, फिर मिलेंगे. Thank you.